Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out image ID from WordPress website. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com. Then you have to log into your WordPress account. And this is the user interface you're going to see. After that, pay your attention to the left hand side over here. Here we are looking for the media option and the library option. Click on the media library option. Here you can see all of your posts and images. Now while you are moving your cursor on the image you want to select, as you can see, when I'm putting my cursor on this image, on the bottom left side of my screen you can see a https slash an address or an ID for that image. As you can see, if I shift it in another image, it changes, and different images have different IDs, as you can see over here. And this is the image ID which you can find from WordPress, which is important for your future references to use the same photo for different purposes or everything. So that is how you actually find the ID, by just simply putting your cursor on that image and just paying attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. As you can see, that ID is changing when I'm changing the photos or placing my cursor on different photos. That is actually the image ID on WordPress. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.